Okay. So did you work on any other thing aside what we did the last time?
After I was going through the notes and the recording, I did
Yeah.
not. I wasn't given an assignment.
Okay. That's fine. All right. So I'm going to be creating a new problem statement. We're going to generate the data, and also we are going to be doing an end-to-end data analysis project. So that's what we're going to be doing. So this Excel, you can save it and close it. Right.
Okay. I think you've
Yeah.
already saved. So let me just see.
So you can just close it. So I will need you to I don't know which of the AI tools you have, Claude, ChatGPT, which one do you have?
I have Chat GPT. I also have Claude, but it's not paid for, so it will hit its limit at
Okay, so we
new.
can use ChatGPT if you have ChatGPT. Is it paid?
No, it's just
Okay.
regular Chat.
Okay, so this is what we do. So open your Claude. So if it's a normal Claude, then just open it.
Okay.
So we use it to create a problem statement, and then we use it to create the data sets. So probably we can do 5,000 records. All right.
Okay.
So we're gonna be creating a problem statement, and so like what we want to do basically today is we want to use AI to create a problem statement or business objective, and then we synthetically generate data sets that speaks to those problem statements, and then we are going to pick that and go and clean and transform in Excel. And then when we are done, we'll create a dashboard right from there, and then we'll also create a report. So that's the whole idea of what we want to do. So we might not end that today, right? So but at least that is just the whole picture of what we want to achieve. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes.
All right. So we're going to give it a prompt. So we can say um so we want to create a data set around brand and marketing communication, right?
Okay.
So we're going to say create a problem statement, create a problem statement, um company overview,
Uh-huh.
and business objectives and business objectives. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So let this one be number one, right? So before create a problem, just put number one there. Do you know how to go to another line without clicking enter?
Yeah.
Okay, so good. So now let that one be the number one. So we're going to say, um, sorry, maybe I should type it out so that I can follow. It will make sense to me. So then I will tell
Okay.
you what. So I'll say, um, I Claude. So you can say I Claude. So that will come before the create problem as a number one. iCloud. I want to create a document that captures. I want to create a document that captures company overview, business objective, or problem statement, and we are going to generate a data set around brand and marketing, communication. Generate data around brand and marketing communication. That is Mercy. That is Mercy.
Messy
Or
care.
Mercy. No, Mercy. Mercy. Messy. Or
Messy. I'm
dirty.
like, what?
Or dirty. Can use dirty.
Dirty.
Then dash. So just put
Eh?
dash.
Okay,
Dash,
that's
dash. Dash.
sorry.
That
Uh-huh.
means we will need to clean and
You said
transfer.
that we will need to clean, or that
That
means we
means
will need to
that means we will need to clean and transform.
clean.
And the cleaning should revolve around removing. So open a bracket, removing duplicate records, splitting of columns, splitting of columns, use first row as header, header, framing, data validation. Eh?
I didn't hear you. Use first row as header, and then what else?
Okay, comma,
Me.
trimming,
Mm-hmm.
comma, data validation. Then put dash where there is inconsistency in categorical data, comma, filling of missing values, for both numerical and categorical data. What else? What else? Okay, I think we'll leave it as that. And is there anything I wanted to add? Okay, we'll stop there. So I'll close the bracket. And then I will now say that go to another line. So go to another line. The problem. So okay, say we can use a generic company name in brand and marketing communication. Brand and marketing communication. What is the numbers of the numbers of records for the data sets should
The
not,
data set.
yeah, data sets should not be more than 5,000 records.
Okay.
Wow.
Nothing.
Okay, should not be more than 5,000 records. What else? The data set. Okay, so the format. So the format of the data set. The format of the data set should be in CSV, and the document that captures the company overview, problem statements, comma, etc. should be in MX Docs, downloadable, comma, downloadable. What else am I missing? I think that should be the prompt. Any other thing I want to add? Downloadable. Okay, so go to underline and say, let me be sure you understand my request. Let me be sure. Let me be sure you understand my request before proceeding to implementation. Yeah, so change the medium, so net 5, change it to I. Okay. Yeah, change it to I. Go to effort. Yeah, I. Yep. Okay, so you can send it now. So while he's contemplating, so write in that place. Say we'll be using Excel to analyze the data. So this is all called steering. So we'll be using Excel to analyze the data in order to create a report presentation. So you are not meant to analyze it. All right. It's just for learning purposes. So you're not meant to
So I
analyze it.
have to create a report and presentation.
Presentation for presentation. So you're not meant to analyze it. It is just for learning purposes. So you can send it. Please give me a second.
Okay.
class. So you need to see them, not disturb it.
Yeah.
Come. I'm in class.
Is John Douglas.
Yeah, go sit down. Now sit down. I don't want my phone.
Daddy. Hello. Did Did.
I take photo.
Did.
Have you used Claude before?
Yeah, I use it multiple times to create presentations.
Okay. So let's just hold on. I'm wondering why it's a bit slow.
My fear is that the what's it called doesn't run out, but hopefully it won't.
I don't think it's run out like that.
Is your cloud paid for?
I have a cloud. Yeah, I have a paid cloud.
Okay.
Or you want me to generate it for you?
So let's give it a
You
couple
said?
minutes. I said let's give it a couple minutes. If it doesn't generate, then we can use yours.
Okay. Okay, let me know.
Please create a Power BI dashboard. Okay.
You said?
I said, can Claude create a Power BI dashboard?
Power BI dashboard. Not Power BI dashboard, but we can create a dashboard. But not the
Okay.
Power BI. Power
Okay.
BI dashboard means you're going to use Power BI to create a dashboard.
Okay.
Mm. But Claude can create a dashboard.
Okay.
So send me this last text that you sent. Not that one.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I think because it's not your paid account, that's why it's taking years like this.
Yes. Yes. Check. That's so dramatic.
Eh?
You say yes. That's so dramatic. I sent it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay. So I'll use my own
It's
cloud account.
due to unexpected capacity constraints. I just need. It's doing
So it's not the paid account. So it's the reason why
it.
it's
Yeah.
taking years. But ChatGPT should
Okay.
be able to give you something.
Let me try to.
Okay, so I need to share my screen.
Okay. Let me stop sharing.
So you sent that stuff to the where?
Your WhatsApp.
To WhatsApp.
Yes,
No,
please.
can you send it to this Google Meets, please?
Okay, let me just send it to the chat.
Mm. So I'll share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing my screen already. Have you sent it?
I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay, I've shared it. Please.
Okay.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
daddy,
Mm-hmm.
daddy.
Mm-hmm. Okay, can you see my screen? Hope you can see my screen.
Yes, please.
All right, so I'm sending it now. So you can see that it is going to be faster. So yours is not paid, so go and pay for it.
I will eventually.
All right, so you can see, got it. Let me play back what I understand before I build anything. So the deliverables is 2 files. So you can see Messi data set as well as and the team around the generic company brand and working communication. It should be deliberately unclean so you can practice cleaning and transforming in it in Excel. So basically, it will be in this problem for you to fix. Okay. Yeah, thank you. So you understand what I'm saying. So ground rules I've noted. Okay, I do not analyze the data. Okay, how many records should the data have? So let's do 5,000 max.
Okay.
Which industry should the generic company be? So which one do you want to choose? FMCG,
Uh,
Fintech.
fintech. Let's do fintech.
Okay, Fintech. Fintech. Roughly how many columns for the data set? So how many columns do you think we should do?
I don't know. I think we should do moderate.
Moderate. Okay. All right.
It gives you anxiety.
Is that?
This is giving me anxiety.
Give me a sense. We'll do it together now. So it's not
Okay.
like I'm giving you something to do. I just wanted to show you how this works. All right. If
Yeah.
you are to, you know, probably want to practice in the future, I want to do something. It's why I just
Yeah.
wanted to see. I would have done this on myself and just send you the document. All right, but I just wanted to show you something. Please give me a second.
Okay.
Mommy is not. Mommy is coming. So you stay here. Come on, watch cartoon. Don't throw my phone on the floor. Okay, so it's generating the file. So we're starting with data set. So 13
Okay.
columns. That's fine. Okay.
Daddy, daddy.
That's true. Listen, listen. Yeah. Like, okay, so Nova Pay, that's the name of the docs, and then Nova Pay
Okay.
marketing raw. So so let me download this guy. Download as CSV. Documents. Damiete. Save. Then this guy. Let me download this one. Okay. Doesn't matter. You even beautify the document. Okay. Okay, even give us direction. How what needs to be done. All right, that's fine.
In the
Um,
analysis.
in the document, just
Okay.
pointed out a few things that we can do, which is fine. So we just practice them together.
Okay.
So where should I send this to? To your email, to your where exactly? WhatsApp.
I think email works.
Okay.
Anyone, I think email works.
No issues. I think I already sent this.
Yeah, you can just send this in a mail trail.
Okay. Okay, so this guy. So as a thread, so I just want it to be like a thread.
Yep.
So attach files. All right. Okay. So let me know if you have seen it.
Okay.
I've
One
sent
second.
it. So I can stop sharing now.
Okay, I've gotten it. Let me download.
All right.
What do we need the what's it called for?
What do we need what for?
The what do you call it? The marketing brief for like the Nova Pay marketing brief for. What do we need it for?
I don't understand your question.
The Nova Pay marketing brief, like the brief itself, like the actual company brief. What do we need it for? I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay. Please share your screen.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. What are you trying to show me?
Oh, I'm opening the Excel, the new what's it called? The blank workbook. I've already downloaded the brief and the raw data.
Oh, okay, okay. So what you're asking, what do we need the blank workbook for? Is that the question?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, good. So we'll be pulling data into this place. So like I said, the Excel is your tool. Now CSV is your source, right? So
yeah.
just like we did the first time, we're going to put data, we'll put that CSV into this Excel. So that will allow us use Power Query Editor. You understand?
Okay. Yes, I do.
Mm. Yeah. So go to Data tab and then pull the data.
Okay.
So test slash CSV. Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Mhm. And then browse. Mhm. Next. Okay. So click on transform data. All right. So now we are in the Power Query Editor. So this is where we do our cleaning and transformation.
Okay. Wait, but
Oh,
see this call. Sorry, share check. I said say that this column one is already saying 100% valid.
but it's not 100% now.
Yeah, that's what I was like trying to point out. It's
It's
fine.
not
No,
100%.
no
So
problem.
so look at it. So let's first understand before we even start doing cleaning and transformation. Let's even understand the data first. Let's understand the document that we send. All right. So you can minimize this and go to that Word document because it's not just to
Okay.
jump into analysis, into cleaning and transformation. Understand what you're trying to do first. Look at the columns involved. You understand? Look at the
Okay.
objective or the business problem that we're trying to solve.
Yeah.
So we are not just going to jump and start doing analysis. Uh is this how your Word document looks like?
My
Can you
MacBook. Yes. Let me see if I can open it in Word.
can you zoom it? Okay, anyhow, if you can
Let me
open.
try opening it in Word.
Okay, all right. Okay, because I'm not seeing clearly.
Yes, I know worry about it. Have you been doing data analysis? Apologies.
No problem.
Did you hear me?
What did you say? Sorry.
I said, how long have you been doing data analysis?
When have I been doing it?
How long? How long?
How long? Is? Is? It's over 5 years now.
Oh, okay. Okay, can you see it now?
Yeah, I think it's better. I think it's just a dark mode, but it's fine. Um, Go to company overview. Let's look at the company overview. Can you? Is there a way
Okay.
you can zoom? Is it zoom in now or zoom out? Yeah, yeah, it's better. Thank you very much. This is better. Okay, so NovaPay is a fictional digital first fintech serving retail and small business customers across 5 operating regions. So the company offers a connected suite of financial products: a mobile wallet, saving vault, instant microloans, debit and virtual card, bill payment, entry-level investment product delivered primarily through its mobile app and web platform. Okay, so growth is driven by a lean, always a marketing function that runs continuous multi-channel campaigns across email, SMS, push notifications, in-app messaging, paid social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and such. Because campaigns are launched rapidly and logged by several different tools and teams, NovaPay marketing communication records accumulate inconsistency over time. So the exact situation this exercise repeats, okay, recreates. So company snapshots, okay, go to market, blah, blah, blah. Now let's look at the business objective and problem statement. So NovaPay leadership wants a single, reliable view of marketing campaign performance. So it can compare channels, can you see, products, regions, audience segments, and reallocate budget towards what actually converts. So the intended output is an Excel-based performance report and presentation summarizing reach, engagement, conversion, and spend efficiency. So the raw export pulled the problem statement now. The raw export pulled from Nova Nova
Novas.
Nova Pay's campaign tools cannot be analyzed in its current state. So because uh, records origin from multiple platforms and manual upload, so the data set is inconsistency, blah blah blah. So specific problems observed in the raw file include a non. All right, so go down. Um, then we have the data set description. Okay, so this is where we need to pay attention. So these are the columns. So we have the dictionary, right? So dictionary basically means the columns and their descriptions. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So campaign ID. So there's a campaign ID which is going to be like a primary key, right? It is unique. Then campaign name plus region combined. So it means that we're going to split this column, right? Because they combine campaign name and region together. Then
Okay.
launch date and time combined also is combined. So we need to split it as well. Then there's channel, which we need to rewrite as delivery channel. Okay, delivery channel is fine. The campaign type, acquisition, blah blah blah. Audience segments, the target audience group, impressions, time the message was shown, clicks, conversion, spend USD, product promoted, contact person, status. All right. So scroll down. I think that's all. All right. So these are just basically the requirement for cleaning and transformation. So we can easily be coming back here in case certain things are not clear, right? We can easily come back here.
Okay.
So um use for straw as header, remove duplicates, split columns. So these are the columns we need to split. Test to columns or test splits, trim white space, validate categories, just standardizing consistency, like I mentioned the last time, fix numeric formatting, fix few missing values, label unknown, median or mean as appropriate. Okay. I think I've explained all of these things to you
Yeah.
already. Uh-huh. And then suggested Excel tools per tax. Okay, so they give us suggestions. All right, expected deliverable outcomes. Okay, so that is basically it.
Okay.
So the first thing here, so if you are seeing 100% doesn't mean it is clean, it is validated. So don't let that deceive you, okay? So you have to look at the
Okay.
data. All right, so if you are seeing 100% doesn't mean it's clean and validated. All right. Now, if you look down, 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 can you see something like column profiling based on top 1,000 rows?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's that basically means that in Power Query Editor, by default, it loads the first 1,000 rows. Do you understand? By
Okay.
default, this our data is close to 5,000. So by default, it loads 1,000. So if you want to view the entire data set, if you want to see the entire data set, you can click that place where you have column profiling based on 1,000 rows.
Okay.
Click it, and then you have the option to say based on the entire data set. So you can also click that, right? So you can keep scrolling down to like up to 5,000 if you want to. But
Oh,
basically,
okay. Okay.
whatever you do with 1,000 is going to
It's
automatically
what
affect
will
your
reflect the 5,000.
exactly. Now
Okay.
we're going to take our time. So the thing is, when you are doing analysis, as a matter of fact, what takes your time when it comes to data analysis is actually cleaning and transformation. It takes
Okay.
like 70 to 80% of your time. So that is why a lot of people invest time. Do you understand? To make sure that the data is well clean. Do you understand? And transform. There are no inconsistencies. There's no bias in your data before you now say you want to do visualization. So people spend a lot of time doing that. It is why I mentioned the last time that AI cannot do that right now because um it is AI is still being developed. Do you understand? And
Yep.
just imagine having to work with millions of records and then one AI to do the cleaning and transformation for you. There is a cost implication to that, right? And there's hallucination. Do you understand? So because you're going to be burning so much tokens. Why are you pouring water on this thing? So you're going to be burning so much tokens, and then you are going to incur hallucination in your analysis. All right. So it is why we cannot completely give data cleaning and transformation to AI to do. But if the data set is very few,
Okay.
let's say maybe 200 records or 500, AI can still try, with proper prompting to clean and transform for you. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, seconds.
Okay.
All right. So so that is cleared, right? So now the next thing we want to do is that we need to promote the first row as our header.
Good
All
data.
right. Yes.
Oh,
Promote the first row as our header. So do you know where you
okay.
use first row as header? Can you see it?
No, I can't see.
It's right there.
I've seen it.
Under.
Don't worry. I've seen it. Yeah,
All
yeah, I've
right.
seen it.
Okay. So click it
Okay.
again. Click it again. It's not still there yet. All right. So it's there
Okay.
now. So you can see now we now have, you can see it's starting from 1, 2 like that now. And then the
Yeah.
first row, right, has been promoted. So we now have the right name, right? Um, so this is 4,970 records. And this is unique. I want you to expand this column, all right? Expand it a bit because I'm not seeing the rest of what is listed there. Just expand to the right. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, I mean those ones that I'm not seeing the full label, the You can just expand them. When we get to that point, when we get to them, we can just be expanding it. So, but let's focus on this one first. Now,
Okay.
if you look at the campaign ID, it's supposed to be a unique key, right? Click the drop down. So these are when you click the drop down, we have the unique records there. But there is a duplicate record. I mean, there are duplicate records in this column, right?
Okay.
Yes. And how do I know that there are duplicate records there? The numbers of distinct is not equal to the numbers of unique.
The numbers of the what's it called is not equal to the number of unique.
Yeah, distinct. Cancel this thing so you can see what I'm saying. Can you see
Okay.
4970 distinct? And then 4941.
Unique.
Exactly. So they are not the same thing. They're supposed to be the same thing.
Okay.
All right. Yes. Now that thing that shows up now, can you good? You can see the distinct counts. You can see that for MP4733 has duplicate. Can you see this bar is
Yes.
showing it? It's not the same thing with the other bars. Do you
Yeah.
understand? So it means that it has what?
Duplicate.
Duplicate. So we need to handle the duplicates. Do you understand?
Yeah.
We need to handle duplicates.
So
That's
do
the
we
first
just
thing.
click remove duplicate here?
Okay, they've even giving you option remove duplicate. Exactly. So click remove duplicate. So can
Okay.
you see now it has been removed? So the numbers of distinct is not the same thing with numbers of unique, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So please, when your primary key or your ID, which is supposed to be unique, is having duplicate, you need to undo the duplicates, remove the duplicates.
Good.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you get that?
Yes.
All right. So we are good with this first column. So let's look at the second column. Now the second column is actually a combination of two things. Can you expand the column header so I can see what is there? Okay, so campaign name underscore region. Okay, good. So there's a campaign name and there's a region. All right. Now there's a serious thing here that we need to really, really pay attention to. All right. If you look at this now, the delimiter in between campaign name and region is different. Can you see it?
Yeah. So there's dash, there's slash,
There,
there's yeah, I can see.
yeah. So we need to be able to undo that. All right. There's also I think there's space there.
Space, yeah.
There's also space. So what we'll do is click the drop down for click the drop down for click the drop down. So we can see. So we have dash, we have the block symbol, and then I think we also have okay. Okay, so this we need to do a lot of work here, but we need to do a lot of work here. And then I'm seeing STH, so there's inconsistency, and there's a
Yeah,
lot of things.
some of the what's it called lowercase letters as well.
Exactly. So there's a lot of inconsistency here. No issues. So we just need to take our time. Central. Okay. Okay. So just click OK. So what we need to do first is we need to split it first. So we are going to be splitting first by each of the delimiters. Do you understand?
Okay.
So let's start with that first. So you can right click or you can right click and then you see split column.
By delimiter.
By delimiter, yes.
You can see, okay? Not like this.
Hmm.
2, 3,
I'm coming.
4, 5,
Trying to open the document as well.
Okay.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I'm coming.
Sixteen, 17, 18.
Okay, so let's do this. So by delimiter, so we want to do custom. Yes, custom. So which one do you want to do, dash or block? Which one do you want to do first?
Do them one by one. Oh.
Yeah, we'll have to do them one by one. You can't put all of them like,
Okay.
so we have to do
I,
one of
I wish to do that first. Do we
do we do what?
I put the dash? I wanted to ask if we like spell it out or just put the sign.
No, it's a symbol. Click on the advanced. Let me see what is in the advanced first. Okay, this is what I was looking the other time. I was looking for leftmost delimiter. Okay, this is what I was looking for the other time. Interesting. Okay. Um, I was looking for this guy. I didn't know he's under advanced. So quote character. Click this drop down under quote character. Okay. No, we don't need to quote character. So what you're saying is that we can put it in quotation. So we don't need to.
Okay.
The numbers of columns to split into 2. Each occurrence of the delimiter. Yes. Okay, just click OK. Click OK. Let's see.
You are so kind. You always give me everything I
Yeah.
need. Thank you for giving me.
So we're still going to merge them together. But let's just split it first. So now the one with this one that you click on now,
Yeah.
we'll do splitting again, but now we are using that block symbol. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, we'll do that again. So split. So do that block symbol custom. Yeah. Okay. All right. Which one again is there? You don't need to scroll down. There's a lot of data there. We are still using the first column. This second column rather. All right. So click the
Okay.
drop down. Click the drop down. So we can see the distinct stuff there now. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Is there any other thing that is still there?
No.
Click on load more, load more, load more. Okay, so there's no dash, there's no block sign there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So click OK. So this is the next thing we're going to do. We're going to merge this third column and fourth column together. Okay, we're going to merge them together.
Okay. Okay.
Third column, the campaign.
And
I'm
first.
not seeing the column name in full, so that's why I'm not able to call them. I think that should
Yeah.
be
Apologies.
okay. Dot region 4. Abi campaign name region 4, right? And then
Okay.
campaign name region 2. So we're going to merge these two columns together. You understand?
Okay. Yep.
Yes. So I like the two. I liked it. I liked. Hold down your control and click on the second one. First and second.
Okay. Just give me a second. Sorry.
No issues. What's going on?
Don't worry, I've highlighted them.
Okay, now go to merge column. Can you see merge columns? The merge column should be under add column tab. Add column tab. Yeah, merge columns. Now, separator, separator, no separator, no
None.
separator.
Yeah.
Then hold on. Then new column name. So call them region. Region. Now click OK. All right. Okay, so that's fine. So it's appearing at the last. We can drag it
Yeah.
to the forward. Yeah, we can drag it to the forward. Drag it to the forward. Yeah, drag it. I think it should come after the campaign name also.
Come after campaign region soon now.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
That's here.
Yeah, it's fine. All right. So delete the one you highlighted, the two that you merged, delete them.
Okay.
Remove column. Remove. Just right click. You can remove the one after the other. Remove
Remove
column.
column.
Yeah, remove column. Okay, so now rename campaign name. So that campaign name underscore region.3. Let it just be campaign name.
Okay.
All right. So we're not done, all right, because we still need to do some data validation. Okay. So now let's focus on campaign name first. Now, of course, campaign name is showing you 100%, right? But we need to validate it. We need to trim if there are white spaces there, all right? But click the drop down for campaign.
For campaign name.
Yeah, click the drop down. Yes, please. Okay, hold on. Wait. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. So can you see bill split? It's appearing 2 times.
Yes. Business
Business
plus is
plus
appearing
is appearing
twice.
2 times. Crypto watch list is appearing 2 times. Family vault is appearing 2 times. So what's going on?
Duplicate.
Hmm? Yeah, these duplicates. Yeah, it's duplicate. So we need to validate it. It shouldn't be. This duplicate shouldn't be happening. Do you understand?
Yep.
All right. So click on load more. Let me see. Load more. Scroll down. Okay, so something is going on here that we need to undo. So click on OK. So let's trim it. Let's trim first. Go to transform column. Text transformation. Then trim. Now click the drop down again. Let's see. So what happened now?
All the duplicates are gone.
They are what?
All duplicates are gone.
Gone. Good. So you can see that we should have unique. So when you click the drop down, that drop down basically gives you the button to show you the unique records in that particular column. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
But you know
Okay.
here it's showing 0 unique and 16 distinct. So.
No. Yeah, of course. So it's going to show you 0 unique. Do you understand? 36 distinct. So what that means is that now the difference between unique and distinct is that if you are having 0 unique, it means that the 36 distinct is not appearing more than once. That's why you are saying 0 unique. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yes. And then for the first one that we did, which is the campaign ID also, you can see there are 4970 distinct, right? Which
Yes.
appear, what that means is that all the unique values there appeared, um I mean the all the unique records here, right? All of them all together is 4970. So it is the same thing as the unique values. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it means. So it means that the numbers of records that we have, which is 4970, everything is unique and distinct. But for this one, the distinct there is 36, right? And the distinct values are not appearing more than once. That's why I'm saying zero unique there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it means. All right. So now, so this one now we are good with this. Um, I think it's also capitalized already, so there's no need to do anything with that. So what we now need to do is to go to region. So region, go to region column, and then click the drop down. Let's see what we have there. Okay, so now there's a problem here. So you can see
Mm-hmm.
we have Sen, we have Central,
Excellent.
Central, East, North. So different names, right? So we need to be able to collapse them as one unique value. Do you understand?
Okay.
So that's what we mean by data validation. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So what do we do to do this, to undo this? So the first thing we're going to do here is that the one that have send, eh?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to send dot. We're going to replace it with central. That's the first thing we're going to do. Which one again? Scroll down. The one that have STH will be replaced with south. Mhm. The
Okay.
one that have W dot should be replaced with the west.
Okay.
I think those are the three things we need to do. Click on load more. Yeah, those are the three
Yeah.
things we need to do first. So replace CEN dot with central, replace STH with south, and then replace W dot with west. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. So now click OK. Now right click.
Region.
I think okay. Yeah. Right click on region. Then go to replace values. I think okay, hold on. I think what we need to do first is let's trim it. All right. So let's trim it first so that all the white spaces are gone. So right click, transform column, text transform, then trim. All right, good. Now right click again, then do replace values. So value to find CEN dot. The way it's spelled. No, the way it was spelled there. Is that the way it was spelled?
I
No,
think so. Let me confirm.
if you're not sure, let's check, please. I think there's another way to also do it.
Okay.
Uh, to check. Okay, no worries. Let's just do this one. I don't want to complicate things.
Okay.
So have you seen the spelling?
Yes, I have.
They are replaced with central. Whether I want to do capital letter or small letter. I think let's do capitalize. Yeah. So that
Okay.
everything capitalize. No. Capitalize is the first character is capital letter.
Oh.
This one is uppercase. Exactly. So this is capitalized.
Okay.
So do the next one. I think the next one should be Is it STH I saw?
Yeah, capital letter STH.
Yeah, capital letter STH.
Okay.
Then W dot.
Okay.
Okay. Click the drop down. Just confirm. Scroll down. Don't worry about the capital letter. We'll handle it.
Okay.
I just want to check the spelling first. If the spelling is all right. Okay. So the spelling is all right, right? Now click OK.
Yeah.
Now right click again, region, and go to test transform column, test transform. Then do capitalize each word. Capitalize each word. Good. Now click the drop down. Good. So now you can see that we now have 5 distinct records.
Yes.
So we've undo that column. All right. Is it making sense?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So the next one here is what? Launch date time, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is date and there is time. So we need to split it. All right, we need to split it. What is the limiter between the two?
Space.
Space. Is it space? Am I saying space?
Space in between. Hold on, let me check.
I'm
Okay,
saying
there's comma. Sorry, I wasn't seeing the comma.
because I know I was saying something.
I
So
wasn't
there is
seeing the
comma
comma.
there. There's comma there and there is space there. Eh?
Yeah.
Mhm. So what we're going to do is that um, we're going to split by. We can split by the two of them actually, since they are together. So, but the danger there is that let's be sure that because if you do comma space and then you use comma space to split, you have to be sure that there is no comma space anywhere else. Do you
We
understand?
have to be sure that there's no. I don't understand. Sorry.
Okay. So you know the delimiter between the date and the time is comma and space
Yes.
together.
Yes.
So if you are going to split it now, you have to do comma space together.
Okay.
Write a comma and then put a space.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying that the danger here is that, or the caution you need to take note is that there is nothing, there's no place where you have comma space. Do you understand? In between the date and the time. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah. I understand.
So that's what
But
I'm trying to say.
given the data that is in front of us, I don't think that would be a problem now.
Okay. No, I'm just saying. So in case, all right. So
Yeah,
you need to
for future reference.
exactly you need to watch out for that.
Okay. Are we doing advanced this time?
Yeah, advanced. So do custom, then you do comma and then space. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
each occurrence. Yeah, I think each occurrence should work. Yeah, click OK. No
Okay.
worries. If it doesn't work, we can
We'll
always on.
just undo. I don't think it worked.
Okay. Did you put the space?
Yes, I put the space after the comma.
Okay.
Let's try
Let's
again.
cancel. Yeah, try again. Let's try again.
Okay. Uh-uh.
No, you have to. Sometimes you have to do it 2 times.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right. So let's try again. So if it doesn't work, that we'll have to do that one after the other instead, or we'll just do comma instead, and then we
Okay,
can. Do
Okay.
comma instead. Do comma instead, and then we'll do trimming.
Okay. So I can just press OK here now, but
Yeah, sure.
see,
What happened?
I don't
Oh,
know.
I understand what is going on. So let's trim the date first. I think there's a
Okay.
space before. There's a space before that. So let's trim it first. Let's just trim
Okay.
first.
Okay.
So it can be funny sometimes.
Yes. Oh, apologies.
No. Go to text transform column. Then you see text transform down.
Okay, I did not see it the first time. I was like, maybe I've gone to the wrong tab.
Yeah, click on trim.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. So
It's only space
so
that's
now
delimiter.
use space, but you are splitting. Let's split it to the. Don't let us use each occurrence. So let's split it to the right. So right delimiter. So we'll try right or left. All right.
Okay.
So you use advance, then choose space. So let's try right first, then choose space. Yeah, and then click OK. All right, so it works. So we chose right. So we can see we're able to split the date and the time.
Okay.
Mm,
I have a question.
yes,
So
please.
what if we get data that the time, like in the same, what do you call it, column now, or in the same row rather, the there's a okay, so you know how now, but the date comes before the time, and then the delimiter was comma and space. What if we
Mm,
have something that, what if we have a data that there's like the time comes before the space, and then the space, sorry, the time comes before the date, and there's the delimiter there, and then vice versa in the same column. Is that possible?
well, I hardly see that, but if that's the case, it is just the same approach. Do you understand? So it's
Yeah,
just
but
the same
how do
approach.
we then? You know how now we put like to the right. What do we then do when it's that time?
That's what I'm saying now. So you try if right doesn't work, you can try left. I mean
Yes,
all these
okay.
things. So one thing about this power query is that your steps are applied there. You can always revert to your
Yeah.
previous step. So if you try
Okay.
right and it doesn't work, try left. But I know that you
Okay.
can't use I know that you can't use each occurrence of the limiter with space. And the reason is because there is space in the time. You can see there is AM there is PM there is
Yes.
minutes, there is hour, there is seconds. You can see it there. So you cannot use each occurrence if you are using space to split it.
Okay.
I hope you get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. So it is that it is left or right. So you can just play with or juggle with left or right and see which one works.
Okay.
All right. So let's rename this let's rename the column. So this one should be launch date, and then the other one should be launch time.
Okay.
So you can see that they are having the right data types. So launch date is having dates, then launch time is having duration.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I think we are done with this one. So let's go to channel.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's see. There's inconsistency in channel as well.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let
So
me see
what?
if I can do this one.
Yeah. You are the one that is doing it. So do it. So do it. All right. So do it. Try it. So I'll be watching.
Okay, just if I go wrong anyway, just correct me.
No, I no. I want to. I'll just give you five minutes to. 5 minutes is too
Okay.
much. I'll give you 3 minutes.
It's too much. Okay, let me just focus. Okay. Mm. Oh, face back stuff. Background.
Please give me like 5 minutes, okay? I
Okay.
want to use I want to use the restroom.
Okay.
So when you are done with this one channel, you can probably start doing the second one as well.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hi, Shegun. Apologies. I don't know what's wrong with my laptop. I have to join on my phone now.
Okay.
I didn't realize that I was kicked out of the call.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I finished working on. I'm trying to join my laptop so I can share my screen. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know if it's my network or something, but I have finished working on the channel column and rules. I'm now in the campaign type.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you getting it?
Yeah. I've cleaned up the channel, what is it called? And I'm now trying to clean up campaign
Okay.
type rather. So yes, I think I'm doing fine.
Okay.
So okay, I see that our time is almost up. I'm going to completely clean up this campaign type, and then
Hmm.
my what's it called? A little concern with the audience segment is that there's actually some rows that are blank.
We need
So
to
yeah,
undo.
yeah.
Mhm.
I don't know if I'll just fill it with unknown.
Yeah, I think you need to check the Word document. There's a simple guide for you there. But
Okay,
if you don't get it, probably we'll just continue from there.
okay, noted.
But make sure you save your work. Okay.
Okay, let me save it now. Okay, thank you.
All right. So let's catch up on Thursday.
Thursday. Okay,
Yeah.
noted. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.